Thank you. Yep, hang on. I'm going to help you right now. I got you. Hang on, hang on. Hang on, guys, I got rope. Don't run in. All right, H.E. David, he's got kids and everything in there, so we're going to grab some rope and see if we can get him out. You got rope too? Here, wait. Use it.
Attach him.
Yeah, that's what I want to do. I want to attach this to the baby. Just stay there, stay there. Yo, wait. All right, give it to me. Come here, honey. Come here. I got you. You're okay. You're okay. Come here.
Make him pull this rope.
I got you.
Hold this rope.
Hey.
Come on, get up. All right.
Hang on.
Grab onto that rope right there.
Got it?
Here, just let go of that side.
Ready? Got it?
Yeah, grab it. Come on, we got
Hold on. You okay?
Get my brother.
Is anyone else in the car?
Anybody else in the car? All right. We got you, man.
We got you.
Just grab on. Take your time, man.
All right.
Hold on. Ready?
2 hands. Let's go.
Hold on. Two hands.
Hands.
Jeez. I got it.
My girl.
Yeah. Thanks, man.
I thought it was a side-by-side. Oh, that's all right.
Good job, man. You all right?
Yeah. Lost control. Yeah,